Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Braid School. I know you're used to hearing my wife's voice, but today you're going to hear mine. I'm Eddie. I'm from Charleston, South Carolina with an accent. So if you don't understand what I'm saying, or if you don't like it, just cut your hair ball. I've watched my wife do videos over and over again. And now, it's my turn. So sit back and buckle up. Here are the top answers to last week's Instagram pop quiz. If you want a chance to be featured in the next pop quiz, head over to Instagram, follow my wife's page, and turn on post notifications. If you don't turn on post notifications and take the pop quiz, you will get an F, which stands for free ball spots. My wife is going to time this tutorial and show you that she can do it under 3 hours because she got them ski wheels. And the time starts now.
Oh, shit. God damn. My arm's tied.
Once again, my wife ain't got halfway through the damn tutorial and she already tied. So, I know y'all noticed that my wife is free parting her hair. In the last tutorial, I was here to help her part her hair. This time, I was not. So please, don't judge her. If the back of her hair looked like the back of a crack of a foot heel. So here's what you're gonna need to complete this look. First up, what the hell? So we're gonna install the octopus arms. This is like octopus arms. So I guess you're gonna install some octopus arms in your hair. All right, ladies, listen. When you install this octopus arms, just find a beach, hit the water, and baby, you can swim. I'm telling y'all, install all. This is new to me. See, guys, we ain't gotta do all this right here. All right, next up, we have two golden seaweeds. So, ladies, I guess we going with the mermaid sea theme because we got the octopus arm and we have the two golden seaweeds. I guess by the time this tutorial is over, she's gonna leave me for Aquaman. And ladies, don't forget the glue to glue that bad boy down so when you hit the water and you start swimming with the octopus arm and the golden seaweeds, it will stay on your head so you won't come out with your F. Free ball spots. So at this time, she's gonna speed through this first half because for some reason, we always in a rush. She basically gonna attach this octopus arm around her hair and then wrap it with the seaweed. All right, so this part took her longer than expected because her hair is long and she was wrapping these dang on seaweeds all the way down. So to speed up the second half, she's gonna show you a magical trick. All right, as you can see, hour 48 minutes. Hour and 48 minutes? Do some damn hair? All right, guys, hour and 48 minutes. I guess that's how it takes for you to put seaweeds and wrap some octopus arms around your hair. And we ain't even halfway done. So ladies, sit back, put the seatbelt on. I mean, just unbuckle the seatbelt, take a walk, and then come back, put the seatbelt on. We got another second half. All right, here's the magic trick. All right, you're gonna hook this on like this on that little tool right there. All right, then you can grab your hair. You can grab your real hair. You can come down. All right, rip it, flip it. All right, nope, not yet. All right, hold on. Let me check myself out real quick. All right, so you can hook it. Then you can slide it through. Right. You can flip it. Up, there you go. Hook it. See, there you go. See the hook right there? Yeah. All right, ladies, you see that? See how long that is right there? Then you can come down. All right. So watch this. Watch this trick right here. So you can grab it, go through your hair, hook it. Watch this. Bam! Oh, yeah, baby. See that hook right there? That's a nice hook right there. So you can grab it, right? Let it hang across your nose. All right, let it dangle right there for a second. Then you can take the other little hair, and then you can grab it, and you hook that through. All right, so you got two pieces of hair through. See the little poof right there? The poof going to sit on top. Then you're going to take it, right? All right, hold on. Look at my fingers. Watch the finger work. Watch the finger work. Oh, you're going to miss it. All right. No, don't talk too hard, baby. All right, now. All right, so you can wrap. There you go. Wrap the seaweeds. All right, wrap the seaweeds. You can continue to wrap that seaweed. There you go. Wrap and wrap. You know, you ever watch The Price is Right and like do 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 the little man in the little boat that they move do 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 do. Do. I ain't got too much to do. But however, we're going to keep this thing rolling. All right, so roll it down. All right. Oh, keep going. All right. Just keep rapping. Keep rapping it. All right. All right, there you go. Okay. All right, then you make sure my lips is right. Make sure my lips, I'm pretty. I'm pretty. Yeah, baby, you pretty. All right, you are good. See? Flipping the bird. I don't think she saw that. I don't think she saw y'all. She flipped y'all off. All right, there you go. She keep rapping. All right, still rapping. Up. You can roll it. Oh, that's a fast roll. All right, so I guess you roll it and then you just leave it. All right. You just leave it in front of your face like that, baby? I mean, dang. All right, oh, you do it again. All right, so you come back through again. You do another loop. All right, dang, man. Baby, how many loops? You even did the loops in the back. All right, do it again. All right, there we go. Here we go. All right. Okay, I see. Watch the finger work. You keep rapping. All right, baby, look, I'm out of breath. I don't know. All right, so I don't think I can keep narrating this part here. This is a little too much here. All right, keep rapping. Unwrapping. All right, ladies, I don't know how y'all do this here. But men, we gotta be more grateful. This is a lot of work. They do a lot to make us feel special, boy. Yeah, go. All right. I guess she done. All right. Oh, there you go. But point to. All right. Where you pointing at, baby? I don't know. I guess she wanted me to let y'all know to see what she's doing. All right, I can do that. There you go. Half the hair done. Oh, damn. All right. So the second half, she's going to use the same technique, which was a little faster. So, oh yeah, guys, when you get to the end of wrapping the seaweeds, make sure you wrap it past your natural hair. And then apply the glue. Just a dab. Any more than that, you're going to be wrapping your real hair to the octopus arms. And you know what you're going to get for that? An F. You know what the F stand for? Free ball spots. All right, guys. Right now, we are at 2 hours and 35 minutes into this tutorial. All right. So right now, we have met our goal under 3 hours. You know, this right here remind me of the song. She do the magic trick right here. You know that song? I got the magic trick. I ain't gonna show you once. I'm gonna show you twice. I got the magic trick. Oh, there you go. Oh, hold on. Here go the magic trick. Up, there you go. See the poof right there? She can flip it. Up, there you go. There you go the twirl. The seaweed is twisting. Keep twisting. There you go. Watch the hand motion now. Oh, there you go. Twist. As you can see, she is worn out. Look at that. They ain't look the same as the first half. They ain't look the same in the hurt. They can look at the eyes. She's worn out. And her mind right now, as you know, and I'm probably sitting upstairs, dressed, ready to go. She ain't even ready. Look at this. Keep good. Just keep twisting. Keep twisting. Keep twisting. There you go. Get the hair out your face. Get you tied. I'll be tied too. That's a lot of octopus arms. And you still got octopus arms left in the back too. Keep twisting. All right. There we go. All right, listen. At the end of this, make sure you put some glue on this bad boy. Here we go. There you go. Oh, put the glue on. Roll it. Done. 237. There you go. Cut it, snip it, let it fold. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, there we go. All right, baby, you ain't gotta look too sexy now. All right, there you go. That thing fall. Let it fall. All right. Look at that. Oh, there you go. Pin it. All right, ladies, listen. That's how you pin it right here. I don't know nothing about this part, but that's how you pin it. She got it on the left side, right side. There you go. She put some jewels on that bad boy. There you go. All right, I see you. All right. There you go. Blinking. There you go. A couple of blinks to get the sexy on. So that concludes the tutorial. You can catch Braid School every Monday right here on this channel. If you're a new subscriber, don't worry. My wife knows more about this stuff than I do. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with all your family and friends. Because you know what happens if you don't? You get an F. You know what F stand for? Free ball spots. That go for your granny, uncle, everybody. Even the dudes with lace front toupees. We appreciate you guys for tuning in, and we'll catch you the next one. Eddie out.